Yes, guys, what is going on? Welcome to next week's gold forecast. Before we dive in, if you could please like the video and subscribe to the channel, I would appreciate that a lot. So, guys, I was planning on being back on the charts properly last week. However, that didn't happen because I had some delays in my deliveries for my office and desk setup. However, I am almost there now. So next week will be the week that I actually do continue as normal. So we're currently on gold on the monthly time frame. What is the first thing that we can see? Of course, we can see that we're bullish and we've got this monthly bullish impulse leg right here. So we know we're bullish on the monthly time frame. Now, what is the first thing that we want to do? Of course, we want to mark out previous monthly candlestick high and the previous monthly candlestick low. That gives us our monthly trading range. And we've just had a new monthly candlestick open. So what can we potentially expect? We are bearish at the moment and we've got an imbalance down here. So I'm going to anticipate the price is going to pull back. Needs to pull back at some point and fill this imbalance. And once it does, this here will be a nice zone where we can look for potential reversals back to that high. However, that's all we've got right now. So we will need to jump down the time frames and open price up to see what is happening. Okay, so we can see here, look, bullish on the weekly, nice weekly bullish impulse leg there. Current weekly, or previous weekly candle, sorry, is bearish. I'm going to mark out the previous but current weekly candlestick high and low right there. So these weekly high and low, guys, these are our levels of potential reversals and liquidity the price will use and target. So because we're bearish and we are closer to this previous weekly candlestick low here, we have got a high probability that price is going to open up bearish, maybe pull back a little bit, but then target these lows here. And then it's going to be this zone that is going to give us either enough fuel to reverse from here and trade back to the range, or that's going to break through and then use this level then as resistance and give us the continuations to the downside. However, we do have the election, guys, in 2 days. So price could consolidate until then, and then price will go crazy. So, if we don't see anything A plus, we will just wait out of the market. We'll sit on the sidelines and wait for the election to be over, essentially. I will keep some live updates as well coming on with the election with my new setup because I'm going to have my different screens. So it will be fun to watch. It'll be fun to see how the market also reacts to the election as well. So what have we got now on the daily time frame? Go down to the daily. Okay, so bullish, of course, on the daily. Impulse, retracement, continuation, right there. Previous daily candlestick bearish, Friday's candlestick bearish. So what can we expect? We can expect price to open up, maybe a little bit bullish, and then I'm going to look for price to pull back somewhere in this zone here, and then give us a continuation down. Now, if we measure daily candle here with the fib, what can we see? 50% zone, 618 zone, somewhere in here, a very nice zone to look for continuations on the lower time frame. You see here, look, at this big bearish engulfing, this candle pull back, 50% zone continuation. So now we're bearish again. We'll look for a pullback, we'll look for continuation, and target this low here. Go down to the 4 hour. Where are we? Again, look, 4 hour. We could say 4 hour is looking bearish at the moment. Let's mark out actually, sorry, the previous daily candlestick high and low, because those are also levels that we will use and that price will use as liquidity and support and resistance. So here. So we've got our monthly, weekly high here. We've got our previous week's low. Oh, sorry, current, but tomorrow it will be previous week's low. And we've got our previous daily high and low here. So we've got the levels there and the trading ranges. So if we go down now to the forward time frame, what can we see? So, of course, if price breaks above this zone here, this is invalid. Because we are bearish and we haven't taken out this liquidity here yet, you see the liquidity down there? We haven't taken it out. This is what I want to see. I want to see price pull back somewhere in here and then take out that liquidity. And then this is that zone, remember, where we're going to wait either for enough fuel to be collected, which is going to give us a continuation back up, or if we're going to break straight through and it's going to give us a trade that's going to give us some continuations back down towards this monthly candlestick imbalance fill that we just looked at on the higher time frame. Go back to the 4 hour. Let's measure this up with the fib really quickly. Oh, wrong way. So here. So we want to look for anywhere retracement in here, in here, in here. Then if we refine it, of course, we go on a lower time frame. We can look for an imbalance look. Nice zone up there. Very nice zone to look to target. In here. So this is somewhere where I will look to take sells. If this is important, if we don't take this out first, if that liquidity gets taken out first, then this is going to be lower probable. However, if price opens up bullish, comes straight into here, bang. Straight continuations we're going to look for in there. Cover the highs here. And boom, we'll look for the continuations down towards these levels here, down towards 2716. And then we'll wait to see how price reacts at that level. And that's it, guys, for the weekly forecast. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you've got any questions, please post below. At the time recording this video, this is going to be the last day of the free trials. I'm going to remove it. And so yeah, if you want to try this out, guys, on a free trial, go to the website, BlackSwanFx.com. Click on the free trial, get in today only, and that's it, because they're disappearing. Waste of time. That's it. So thank you, guys. Have a good rest of your weekend. And if you've got any questions about the services, please post in the live chat on the website. Thank you very much. Have a good rest of your weekend, and bosh.